Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're getting an issue on your Windows 10 computer that says the resolution is not supported. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time and type in Device Manager. Best match should come back with Device Manager right above Control Panel. Just left click on that one time. Now you want to go ahead and expand the display adapter section, so either double click on it or left click on the little arrow next to it to expand. And now whatever display adapter is listed in here, you want to try right clicking and then update driver. Try searching automatically for updated driver software. You can also try going online and manually downloading the driver and then installing it. Most display drivers and drivers in general have a utility that will automatically install it for you, so you don't even have to really go through this. So it should maybe say that the best driver is already installed. Just click on close. At this point, I would suggest considering uninstalling it. So if you just right click on it, left click on uninstall device, uninstall. Your resolution might look a little bit weird for right now, but you're going to just restart your computer and then it should reinstall the display adapter automatically. And if you're still having problems, again, go on the manufacturer's website and actually go ahead and try and download and install it. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.